Hello there, friends, and welcome back to another episode of Try New Things. You join me once again inside the TNT workshop, where today we're going to try to get a little crafty using leftover pieces of tobacco sticks that I had used to make the pumpkins. So when I made those, I had some little pieces left over. I want to figure out what can I do with those. They're too small to glue up into new panels. But anyway, that's our challenge for today, is to take a look at those, consider what our options are, and make it happen. Stay tuned. So now I've cut myself a bucket of little pieces. The challenge will be figure out how to glue them together. That's what we're going to work on now. So here's a sneak peek of what's going to be my big trees. And it's made up of 5 sticks. And I'm going to make combinations of 5, 4, and 3. But yeah, I kind of made this little jig hoping it'll help me glue it up. But we'll see here in a minute. Now if this jig works out, I'll probably make up a couple more of them so I can make more than one tree at once. All right, let's give that a try. I got a feeling I'll end up just gluing this tree to my template, but we'll see. All right, I did go ahead and make up 2 more boards. So I've got a 5 branch, a 4 branch, and a 3 branch Christmas trees all glued up here. Hopefully not gluing themselves to the boards, but soon we'll take the clamps off and take a look and see if this is a viable use for the leftover pieces of the tobacco sticks that we had from other projects. Hopefully it is. All right, friends, the glue has had a chance to dry, and I've gotten these out of my little jigs. But there's a 5 branch tree. There's a 4 branch tree. And here's a little itty bitty 3 branch tree. So this is going to constitute, I guess, a set of trees. More importantly though, I found something I can do with the scraps I had left over from making my my pumpkins out of the tobacco sticks. Saves me from throwing them out or burning them. As you saw before, I have a whole bucket of little pieces cut up. I'll whip through that and glue these up into trees, and then we can see what we can do with them. But anyway, if you've got any questions or comments about the trees or anything else, don't forget to leave them below in the comments section. Also, do me a big favor, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the very next video. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Dark, I'm dark.